Hey, it's Phoenix here at Calgary Harley-Davidson. It's Rally in the Rockies, having so much fun, this 9-day event in its inaugural year. But wait for more in the coming years. This should be something else. But anyway, I ran into a gentleman who showed me this. He says, Phoenix, you got to take a look at this, man. It is a safety pack, a first aid kit, if you will, for motorcyclists. I thought, well, it's kind of small, it's compact, it's convenient. So I asked Adam Calver to explain more about said safety pack. Oh, look at this. Pull to eject. Clever.
Hi, my name's Adam Calver. I'm head on first aid and safety. I'm here to introduce the first aid kit. Okay, we have some surgical scissors, tweezers, we got your classic Q-tips. We have all sorts of wound management bandages on both sides, different sizes. We have some steri strips in behind there. We have some triangular bandages. We have a couple in the pack here, a small pack. We have all our wound management things for cleaning up wounds. We have after bite for those mosquitoes on a camping trip. And then you can open up here. We have an emergency blanket. We have a big abdominal bandage as well in the back here. So that's kind of the overall. And we do have a CPR barrier device, 3 different sizes of gloves for whatever size your hand is. And you can always add to the kit as well. I'd always have one of these on me because you never know if it's yourself or if you're riding with a group who's actually trained in first aid, who has an actual kit, and who's prepared really for the adventure and the journey. Folds up in a nice little pack here. Clip on your bike here, different attachments. You put it in your panniers, your side bags, saddle bags, whatever you have on your bike.